Looks like we're given a table that we're supposed to complete. Let's read the problem here. It says, suppose you have a job that pays $9.50 an hour, and you work anywhere from 10 to 40 hours a week. All right, so the hours worked we've got listed down here, 10, 20, 30, and 40, and we get $9.50 an hour. So what's up first here? Write an equation with a restriction on the variable x that gives the amount of money y you'll earn for working x hours in 1 week. So x is the number of hours that we work, and y is our pay, and we have to come up with a rule that says how much we make given how many hours we work. So we need something like this. We have to come up with this. Y equals, all right, some kind of a rule that we're going to put in here, and then some restriction on x. Okay, so let's think about that. We make, up here, we make $9.50 an hour. Now what if you worked 1 hour? You would make how much? $9.50. What if you worked 2 hours? Then you would have 2 of those $9.50s, or $9.50 twice. What if you worked 3 hours? You would have that $9.50 3 times. If you worked 4 hours, you would have that $9.50 4 times. If you worked 10 hours, you would have that $9.50 10 times. If you worked 20 hours, you'd have that $9.50 20 times. I think we got it. If you work X hours, you would have that $9.50 X number of times. So I think in here, we're going to put $9.50 X. So I'm going to write that up here. $9.50 X. But there's a restriction on X, right? We want to have, let's see, what's the restriction on X? X is the number of hours that we work, and it's not just going to be any number at all, right? We're restricted to between 10 and 40. So why don't we write this as 10 less than or equal to X less than or equal to 40. All right, so we could write that here. So here's our restriction. 10 less than or equal to X less than or equal to 40. Now let's use this rule to complete our table by filling in y. So y when x is 10, y is going to be, now here's our rule, when x is 10, we're going to put the value of 10 right here. So how about if we compute this? 950 times 10. So if we work 10 hours a week, we've made $950. At 20 hours, okay, 950 times 20, all right, that's going to be double the 950. So that's 190. And then 30 hours a week. All right, 30 hours a week. That's going to be $285 a week. And finally, if we work 40 hours a week, okay, well, we can compute that, or you know that 40 hours is twice the 20 hours, so that's going to be 380. There we go.